What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is it's Thursday, August 24th, and this is the morning time frame of the ES 2000 tick chart interval. This is how the market has looked the past 3 days. As you can see, we have overall been going in the upside. We missed that beautiful day yesterday. Kick myself for missing that, but I also got to kick myself today because I don't know what it is, guys. I've been waking up super tired. I'm not trying to make an excuse or anything, but I've been waking up super tired, and I haven't been focusing to my full strength, and it's been kind of a struggle to stay up. And again, today I had slept. I went back to bed because I just could not focus. I don't know what it is. Usually I could focus. I can focus and trade the whole time, but just can't. But let's get into it. Doesn't matter. I still did make some trades today, but my tiredness and focus as a result screwed it up. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm already thinking downtrend, just because it looks like a nice. It looks like it did a spike in the channel to the downside, and that's what I thought originally, where this was going, because we got three hits down. Okay, that seems like a good trend line placement, but there might have been a smaller channel there. I don't know. I just thought it looked like it was a decent setup for a downtrend, so that's what I was rolling with. Marking all my little mini channels that I see now. Kind of had some congestion down towards that side. Thought about making a trade around here because it was kind of looking like a little lower high right there. That might be a trade. I don't know. I'm gonna have to double check with Pat and Thomas Wade to see if they mark that as a trade. Again, I am still learning, and those are the guys I'm learning from. Is Pat, price action trade system by Matt, and then Thomas Wade. I'm learning price action off them, and then I apply it here. And this is my journey to see if I can, achieve financial freedom day trading using this strategy. But yeah, here's my first trade. I really don't know what I was doing. I entered way too early. It didn't even make the second leg, and it just screwed me over. I'm like, oh, it's gonna go down because it touched the trend line. So I'm like, oh, it's gonna go back down. It has to go back down. That was my thought, and I was just being impatient too. You know how it be. I was being impatient and forcing something that wasn't there, which. Like, I'm not trying to make an excuse, but I'm blaming it on my tiredness because my thought process was, I just need to make a trade and then I can go back to sleep. I just need to make a trade and then I can go back to sleep. That was my thought process. And try to force something that wasn't there and, paid the price for it, as you'll see. It did go down and give me like a splinter hope. Maybe I'd get lucky and it would go down. But then the price is reversed. And it really just sat there. But it's okay. It's okay because right after that it made its second entry, and I was like, you know what? It's gonna go back down. It's gonna make that. It made a second entry, like the signal bar, so I entered it because I knew it was gonna go back down at least test the what's it called down there. Which it did end up doing, and I did scalp out a trade, but unfortunately, couldn't get my runner. I don't know. I should have just closed out my runner when I hit $100, but I didn't. But it's okay. It's okay. Another learned lesson today, and that's what you got to take account with these videos. Even though losing trades is a part of trading. It's not going to be 100%. But also, like, it's a battle of your mind. You have to keep your emotions and stay focused. You can't be trading off of emotions. It's just not good, and you won't be productive. And you just got to get adequate sleep, I guess, too. But which is weird for me because I don't know. I really don't know what's been wrong with me. But this past whole week, I've been super tired. Each day I've woken up, I've been tired, cannot focus on the chart. And I get really sleepy, and then I just have to end up calling it and falling asleep because I just get too tired. And I'm like, dude, I need to go back to bed. I'm gonna switch up some things. I'm gonna start, trying to go to bed a little bit earlier. Which I go to bed at 8:30, but I wake up at 3:30. That's at least 7 hours. So I really don't know. And I've gotten a lot less sleep before and been fine. But it's all good. We're gonna go on from there. But yeah. So after those two trades, the market did it just reversed. It just shot up out of nowhere. This entire time I was expecting to go back down and test the channel. Never really did that till later on. Well, not too later on, but it did end up falling down, and I think it did break past the lows. But it just shot up, went back towards the midline pretty much, and then it went all the way back down. Then made a new extreme. Kind of weird. I don't know. Could be some trading range. But right after that, I did get off, and I called it a day there because, like I said before, I was tired. And, I just didn't want to freaking make another mistake and then stump out my account, because I really wasn't focusing. I was just getting super tired. I ended up falling back asleep. But this was what I saw in the morning for about an hour that I was on. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy. But yeah, I'm going to end it here, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Hopefully tomorrow morning I'll not be tired, and I'll stay up for the whole hour and a half that I'm on. And we'll see what happens, yeah. I'm going to leave my old video right here to the left. I'm going to leave my subscribe if you have button right here to the right. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. But hope everybody that did end up trading today made some good trades. If you did, let me know down in the comments what you took. I'd love to see it. And I just love to see your input too. But yeah, hope everybody has a good day, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.